between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall from 1.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the Ward area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Human beings on the planet.
Listen, come back. Where you get
I suggest you still look. This is the following effects are expected. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and other forward areas.
John.
Locations that will experience flash flooding in Liberty, Dunbar Hill, Miffley, Casey Creek, Leesville, Yuma, Barnett Springs, Holmes, and Asher. Turn around. The current vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding include Liberty, Dunbar Hill, Miffley, Casey Creek, Leesville, Yuma, Barnett Springs, Pelham, Holmes, and Absher. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Or you can take your in my nursing home, so husband was
Oh my god. That was unexpected. Holy shit. That actually was unexpected. And that's the beginning of that's the beginning.
For today and tonight.
Oh my god, that actually blasted me right out of bed. Oh my. Wow. That's more to come, I'm telling you right now. Let's see what this flash flood warning is. Oh, this is not. I know this
And severe weather this evening through Saturday evening.
I think.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Bluegrass region of central Kentucky. Afternoon. An hour. Gusts up to 55 miles an hour in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Sunday, not as warm. Cloudy with a 50% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 50s.
Never mind. I think more flood warnings are going to be issued.
With a 50%.
I'm just going to say that I think there's going to be more flash flood warnings issued. But dude, that blasted me right out of bed. Oh my god. Let's check the risk and see if it got upgraded to anything. No. Oh yeah, Happy New Year's, by the way. Okay, looks like it didn't do anything much. Still under enhanced risk today. Hold up, do I see a Hold up, look at this. A tornado watch in a marginal? That's kind of weird.
The current time is 4:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. What? Widespread rainfall amounts of...
Well then.
Nations.
I guess I'm not going back to sleep.
Morgan, Owsley, and Wolf.